Smiley, smiley, little boy.
Hey beautiful people, what is up? I'm Rose. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. I am going to be cutting my curtain bangs. I've never cut my hair before, so this will be a very interesting process. I'm not going to do this all by myself. I'm going to follow a tutorial by Brad Mondo. So this is my hair currently. So I just got a straight cut and I have no layering at the front whatsoever. Everything is just straight. I mean, I did before, but obviously it's grown out way too much now. So I just wanted to frame my face since everything's just dead on straight. I know I got it cut like last month or so, but I'm bored. This is what happens when you're in lockdown and you stare at yourself for too long. So here I've got my laptop in front of me, which you guys can't see, but you can now. But yeah, it's just a bit there. And I've got my mirror here, got my comb, got my other comb just to section the hair, main hair cutting scissors and thinning scissors. This to spray on the hair to make it wet. Then I've got these hair clips just to put my hair back. I don't actually have professional hair clip things. I'm actually probably gonna cry if I mess this up because I've never cut my hair before and I really don't know how it's gonna turn out. I just hope it will turn out like the tutorial, but you just never know since I'm not a hairdresser. You look like a dead thing. Let's change it up.
So step one is gonna be to have wet hair. Dampen up this front section with some water. Or is it alcohol?
Oh my god guys, what is going on? I feel like I just wet myself. Let me just do this. The whole table's wet, by the way. Comb it in front of my face like that. Oh my god, I look like the Grudge. Lovely, lovely.
Do a middle part.
Everybody
loves a good middle part these days. Apparently, if you do a side part, you're ugly. I mean, I do enjoy a good...
I saw in another tutorial you follow where the arch of your eyebrow is, and you just kind of separate the section from there. That's great. I think I'm gonna cut that much. So I think I'm gonna play with this part.
You should have this little triangle section right here. And we're gonna clip the rest of the hair out of the...
Stay there. I look like a monkey.
And if you're like, okay, that's a good amount of hair. When that's cut, that'll look nice. That little swoop right there, that'll look nice. You're in a good place.
I am just going to comb it very nicely in the middle with the smallest part of the comb. Lord have mercy. Now I've got to decide how short I want it. Should I go to the chin or should I go just above the chin? This is the scary part, actually cutting your hair. I think I'm gonna go up to my chin. I'm just gonna cut. Ah! Oh my god. I'm cutting my hair, guys. No shit. Oh fuck. Oh god, this doesn't look even. Oh god. I didn't think about the aftermath. Okay. NANI?! Oh my god, it's so short! Wow, cutting hair is actually low-key fun once you've already started cutting it. It's very straight, so I want to layer at the front a bit more. What I'm going to do is bring this part of the hair onto the other side. Oh my god. Please don't use me as a tutorial, I'm just explaining this to myself. Okay, I'm going to stop here. What I'm going to do is just cut. Let go and see what it looks like. Oh my god, that's not bad, guys. Okay, I'm gonna bring that to the other part and then doing the same thing. Just cutting. Oh, see that? It's layered, guys. I'm actually cutting. Wait, hold on. This part's a bit longer. You see, I'm starting to have more precision with this the more I do it. Amazing. So this is the final result of me styling my hair. It was not the best because I curled it outwards and then I took it out and I looked really weird. So I curled it inwards, so now it's a bit like this. Like with my straight hair in this, it does not match whatsoever. As you can tell, I just look like a bushy bush. But I think if I curled this, it'll look really nice together. I do feel like an anime character because of the odd hairstyle. I'm actually having a liking to this the more I stare at it. Let me know what you think.
I